Good evening for everybody. This is Gopinath, and today I need to tell the strategy about the price volume relationship. Many of the professional traders they would like to look up the price action strategies will be employed or the adoptable on the basis of the chart will be there. So many of the traders they would like to adopt the indicators in order to check out the direction, check out the momentum of the market, where the market is going, and in order to know the sentiment of the market, so whether the market is having a bullish, whether the market is having a bearish will be there. So these are all the clear picture indications of the chart analysis will be there. So basically, so the prime objective is you need to remember how the price will be correlated with the volume. So therefore the price will be what we call the price factor will be influenced purely on the basis of the volume analysis, purely on the basis of the volume. So in the volume chart you need to you'll be having a two types indications will be there. One will be the what we call the red, and again the green bar will be there. It's nothing but the buyers and sellers will be rushing in order to what we call buy the futures will be there, buy the options in terms of call options or the put option, and again in order to go for the index trading. So therefore, so various platform will be there. So purely on the basis of the buyer and sellers will be there. So the volume indicates what is the demands and what is the supplies will be arised on the basis of the momentum of the price will be there. So this is the strategies will be there. So therefore I need to clear about the what is the price volume relationship will be there. So here in the first you'll be having when the price is increasing, the volume is also increasing means, so therefore it is considered as a you will be having the strong uptrend will be there. It is confirmed by the volume also. So therefore it is nothing but the market is having a bullish, the market is having a upward movement, the market is having a trending in the markets will be there. So whereas in the case of next stage you'll be having the prices is increasing but the volume is decreasing. So therefore it is not advisable to go for the long, it is not advisable to go for the buying the positions will be there, because it is not making in a one direction, it is having a diversely related, it is having a inversely related. The price is increasing, the volume is decreasing, it is nothing but a trapping the bulls, or will be having a trapping the buyers will be there. Next, third point will be having when the price is declining, when the price is decreasing, the volume is also increasing. So therefore you will be having a the volume is also increasing means in terms of you'll be having a you'll be having a that is a shorters will be there in the case of the market will be there. So coming back to you'll be having, so therefore the third point will be having if the prices is decreasing and the volume is also increasing, that is the volume is increasing means in terms of the sellers are increasing means it is supported by the volume in terms of the sellers or the shorters will be there. So therefore it is a consider as a what we call the market is in a downtrend will be there. So whereas in the case of we'll be having if the prices is decreasing and the bearish bar, that is the bearish volume bar is also decreasing means, so therefore it is not in a downtrend, it is nothing but a trapping of the pairs will be there. So this will be having a little bit confusion will be there, you please watch once again. So therefore you will be getting the clarity with regard to the how the price volume relationship will be there. So therefore I need to share a few more pictures will be there. So therefore in order to be having the clarity will be there, you can check off in this chart also, it will be very easy. You can make a note down in a book or in a, you can make a note down in the trading journals will be there, it will be very easy. But the thing is you need to remember how the market or you'll be having the market sentiments will be there, decided on the basis of the price and again the volume. The price action is very important. So therefore many of the professional traders they would like to look up only on the basis of the volume. Based on that they would like to book the position, they would like to execute the position, and also they would like to exit the trade with making a profit booking is also there, and also in some cases the stop loss will be hit will be there due to the volatility will be there. So this is the one of the chart will be there. We can keep a reference for you. It will be very helpful in order to go for the this also you can refer for yourself, have a glance on this. So before going to the chart, I need to make a glance on this slides will be there. So now I need to go for the charting in order to navigate. So how the volumes will be what we call scanner. Through the help of the scanner, we can go for the intraday, we can go for the swing trading also. So therefore I would like to go for. So coming back to the charting platform, you can create a scan with your own. So therefore in the screener section you can refer here. In the screener section you'll be having here the create a scan will be there. So therefore it will be very easy to open the scan will be there. So therefore I need to open that is you'll be having, you can make it as a click on, that is you'll be having here the volume. You can go for the what we call the volume will be there. Make a type it as a volume. So you can go for the greater than, then again you can go for the volume also. So therefore this is the things will be there. You make it as a 4 clicks. So you here will be having the copy will be there, 2 3 4 will be there, and I would like to go for this one. So you can go for the based on your standards, that is the time frame, and again the daily analysis will be there. So in the latest I need to make it as a click 1 day ago. Below that I need to go for the one more, which is the highest hour, that is 4 hours is the highest. So therefore I need to go for the one more thing is after 4 hours. For the intraday trader, they would like to go for the 1 hour, or you can go for the 75 minutes. It's the standards will be there. So next you can go for the what we called 30 minutes. You can go for the 30 minutes will be there. So this is the strategies will be there, or else I would like to go for the 30 minutes. So 30 minutes will be there. It will be better to navigate or to check out the how the stock is going on. So here I need to go for the cash judgment. I would like to make a click on to the future. You can go for the running will be there, and these are the stocks, that is a Bank of Baroda, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bharat BHEL, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers, and Indus in Bank will be there. So these 5 stocks I need to pick in order to go for the analysis. How the volumes will be played, that is will be having the volume is greater than 1 day ago, the volume is greater than 4 hours, the volume chart is greater than 30 minutes, the volume chart is greater than 15 minutes will be there. You need to align for the intraday. You will be having a, for the conservative trader, you need to check out the 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 4 hours, and 1 day will be there. So that will be very easy to gauge the markets will be there. If you are going for the 5 minutes also, it will be better, but the thing is you'll be getting a lot of ups and downs will be there. 15 minutes will be having a proper gauge of the how the price is taking a momentum. So everything will be very easily you can assess the information, which is the things will be there. So now I need to go for the trading view. So how the stocks will be impacted on the basis of the. So this is the trading view. So we have taken the whatever the stocks we have selected. So that stock I have listed here. So therefore I need to go for the first thing is I need to go for the HAL. So in the case of HAL, you can drag on here, you can drag on. So here you'll be getting the information. So here you'll be having the 2 charts, that is will be represented. The above chart will be what we call the price, and again below it will be denoted as a volume chart will be there. So based on that I need to go for the analysis. In the volume chart, you can go for the volume chart, make a click on in the settings. You can make a click on this volume will be there. So that will be better in order to go for the how the stock is going on. I need to go for the save as default will be there. So therefore, so when the trade will be taken, so we have taken the daily analysis we have taken. See, listen here, what is the volume spikes will be there. So below you can check off here the green bar is there. No, so that is nothing but the buyers is having a more number of the buyers they have entered in this stock. So therefore you'll be having a very good what we call momentum is there, and here you can check it as this is the resistance, what we call 2635 with the resistance, and it was breakdown, and again it is taking a completely rally will be there. How it is possible? Purely on the basis of the volume chart will be there. And one more thing is this green volume bar is there, no, it represented as a buyers will be there. So therefore you can check off your behind that one there will be no buyers and sellers will be having a diplomatic, and again the neutral will be there. So therefore there is no what we call entry of the trade will be there. So this is the, it will be better for the to take the swing tradings will be there. So likewise I have taken a day wise will be there. We can go back one more things will be there. Listen here, the volume spikes which happen in a 8th August will be there. After that it is a consolidated. So after the 2061, after the when the volume breaches above the 20 days moving averages, mean see how the rally was taken will be there. So this is the one of the strategies will be adopted on the basis of the price action with the basis of the volume based risk will be there. So this is the one of the important things while going for the HLs will be there. So we can go for the 4 hours also. You can go for the 4 hours. How the 4 hours will be having a, in order to go for the alignment. See, listen here also. The 4 hours is also having a very good momentum was taken. That is in the case of the 2544, it went up to 2703. Hardly the 10% was hike in the case of the what we call will be having a this one. So therefore I need to go for the next one. If you are not comfortable 4 hours, you can go for the 30 minutes also. So the time frame is very important. That is 30 minutes you will be having. You can go for the what we called intraday will be there. So that is the better. So I hope it will be very suitable for the swing trading, and this will be better for the working professional who are working in a corporate, who are working in a organization. It will be better to go for the to make the investments will be there. So likewise they need to go for the investments will be there on the basis of the 30 days intraday. You can execute the trades will be there. So next I need to go for the after HL, can we go for the Bank of Baroda? So in the Bank of Baroda I need to go for the 1 day analysis will be there. So therefore you can check off here, see how the trade was taken. See tremendously it was increased. See how it was increased. See check off here, the volume is tremendously, it was taken a what we call crossed the moving average. This black line is there, no, it is a moving averages, 20 days moving averages on the volume chart. So it was increased tremendously. So therefore you can look here, there is no volume because it will be considered as a consolidation zone. So how the trend was taken, the trend was broken, the volume chart was increased. So therefore what happened, you will be having the stock was tremendously, it was changed, that is it was broken 150. So therefore it went up to the, you will be having this one. So therefore we have done, this is one of the conditions while going for the swing trading. That is what I need to go for the bullish. You will be having, if the green chart, green bar is there, means it indicates the market is having a bullish conditions will be there. So therefore you need to check out whether the resistance was broken. If the resistance was 151, it is broken, means so therefore it was started for the new rally will be there. So therefore likewise you need to go for the Bank of Baroda. You can go for the 4 hour also, no issue. I need to go for the one more concept, that is a Gujarat Narmada Fertilizer Corporation. So here will be having a, you can check off here, see how they have given. So we do not have any momentum here, it was completely decreasing, but here it was taken the sustainability, what we call. So here you'll be having the bullish entries will be there, but the thing is previous day it was bearish, and previous day it was greenish will be there. So my suggestion is preferably it is not advisable to take the trade, because the chart of the bull will be having the green volume chart is not higher than the previous what we called green bar, and again the red bar will be there. So it is not preferable. So therefore it is not advisable to take the Gujarat Narmada will be there. And the next one is I need to go for the one more things will be there, what we called IndusInd Bank. Can we go for the IndusInd Bank? So in the IndusInd Bank also it is not preferably to take the trade, because the thing is you can check off here. The volume chart is increasing, but it is not more than the below, that is the previous day volume is there. No, it is not more than. So therefore it is not advisable to initiate the trade, and therefore you can refer here. The price of the stock is having a consolidation zone, so therefore it is not advisable to take the IndusInd Bank will be there. If you are comfortable in the intraday, then you can initiate, but we do not have any very good momentum with regard to the IndusInd Bank will be there. Next I need to go for the BHEL. In the case of the BHEL, also you can go. So why I am telling means, if you want to take any trade means, this volume chart should be greater than the previous day chart will be there, then only you need to take. Suppose if it is not greater than, means it is not advisable. It is in a consolidation zone will be there. See how it was happen. It broken the resistance from 63. It went the maximum 76. 10 rupees was increased. So therefore, in the case of the BHL is also not advisable, because the bull volume chart, the green volume chart, is not greater than the previous day chart will be there. So it was increased in the moving averages, but it is not greater than the previous chart will be there. So therefore it is not advisable to take the trade. And one more thing is, it is not broken the resistance of the 77, so therefore it will be treated as a consolidation zone will be there. So this is the strategies will be adopted while going for the volume chart analysis in order to go for the confirmation. So many of the institutional investor, many of the professional traders, they would like to depend on this volume chart analysis. It will be very helpful. So therefore you'll be having a confidentially, you can initiate the trade on the basis of the volume chart. So how the bulls are entry for these prices will be there, how the bears are taking a entry for this prices will be there, how they are trapping. So therefore without the indicator we can easily execute the trades will be there. We can easily determine whether this stock is in a accumulation zone or the consolidation zone will be there. So therefore we can track the what we call, we can initiate the trades will be there. So that is what in the BHL cases we can go for the previous year. So sorry, previous volume chart. See, the volume spike is increased here, and compared to the previous day, you'll be having the previous day, you'll be having a very good momentum in there. So therefore it is an indication to it will break the resistance of the 65, it will retrace here, and again it will take the one more rally will be there. So this is the many of the professional traders, they would like to execute the trades will be there. So this is the information I have shared. The price actions on the basis of the volume chart analysis, through the help of the charting scanner, you can navigate, you can initiate the swing trading, and you can book a profit for what you call 5% will be the maximum, minimum 3% will be the profit booking will be there. You can pick the stop loss also with making a proper risk management, and this is the strategy will be there. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts or any queries, please put it in the comment sections, and please subscribe the channel, and please put the what we call bell button icon, and try to share the videos in your friends WhatsApp group. Try to share the videos among with your friends, among with your friend circles will be there. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks, and have a great day. Thank you. Good night.